Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Scorpio at sa mga bago. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 16 to 22. O, diba? Bilis na ng panahon talaga. Third week na ng March. And papasok na ang Aries season. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy from the Scorpio Collective. Alright, let's see. Okay. And gagawin ko, bubunta ko ng card from tatlong cards from this deck. Okay. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Scorpio na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you po. And sana patuloy niyo suportahan by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, sana suportahan niyo rin ang aking channel by liking this video, commenting below, and syempre, subscribing to Mystico Moreno channel. Okay, thank you po. Right, yan. Sige, simulan na natin. So, I'll take the third card. So, ang tatlo. Dahil March ngayon. First card. Nine of Swords. Ooh. Second card. Temperance. Third card. Seven of Coins. Okay. Alright, so there's this energy of okay. Merong, as shown here by the Nine of Swords, merong nangyari sa romantic relationship ninyo that resulted into a traumatic experience, parang something that you regretted. So at the moment, ang nakikita ko dito when it comes to your romantic relationship or aspect of romance sa life mo is medyo kalma ka muna, parang you're healing from a past experience that caused trauma and regret. Okay, so pwedeng hindi maganda yung naging experience mo sa past relationship na nag-end lang recently. Okay, and then now you're trying to regain and magkaroon ulit ng peace sa life mo. Magkaroon ulit ng peace of mind, peace of heart, okay, and peace of soul. May ganun ba? Yeah, so and yun yung pinapakita kasi or energy ni Temperance. Okay, and there would be a re-evaluation or reflection as shown here by the Seven of Coins. So, pag-isipan mo kung ano yung next step forward when it comes to love life. Pupush mo ba or maghahanap ka ba ng bago or you'll stay single muna at the moment. So, tignan natin dito sa detalye using the other deck. Okay, gusto ko i-remind ng lahat that this is collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay, so kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo, okay, for this collective reading. So abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod pang love reading. Okay, kaya importante na nakasubscribe kayo sa aking channel para updated kayo sa mga ipopost kong videos sa mga susunod na araw. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos ko, baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Alright, sige. So bubunot ako dito ng 8 cards that would detail out yung overall energy nitong tatlong cards. Sige. So third card ulit. First card, the Empress. Second card, Nine of Wands. Third card, Knight of Swords. Fourth card, the Magician. Fifth card, the Moon. Okay. Sixth card, Six of Wands. Seventh card, Wheel of Fortune. Okay. And last card, Page of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Ten of Wands. Okay, so first, there's a strong energy of Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Pisces, and Sagittarius sa reading na ito. So, and ano pala, pati Leo, nasabi ko ba na bang Scorpio, and Aquarius. Okay. So, pwedeng isa dun sa mga signs na yon, medyo marami, pero yun yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo. Pwede rin yung ibang signs naman. Pero check nyo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements ng person ninyo. Baka isa din doon sa mga nabanggit ko. Okay. So for this week, then, there will be abundance. At the moment na di ba, yung overall energies just came from a very traumatic experience from the past relationship, something that you regretted happening in your life. Okay, but now there's an energy of abundance coming into your life. Okay, as you move forward, as you move on from the past relationship, and nakikita dito sa Empress card nga yon, yung abundance coming into your life na dito sa Nine of Wands naman, medyo, ayun lang, pag may mga abundance na dumadating, medyo, dahil nga kakagaling mo lang sa isang traumatic relationship, you medyo guarded yung heart mo. Okay, medyo, hindi kayong basta-basta din na mag-jump into a new relationship. Okay, kasi parang takot kang, may fear ka na masaktan ulit. There's this parang cautiousness sa end mo. Okay? Pero itong iwas ka lang din kasi may tendency ka maging impulsive. Okay? Guarded ka, pero parang minsan, syempre, lalo na ito, nakakabit siya kay Magician. So, Magician is a card of manifestation and desire. So, alam mo deep inside na you want new love to at least somehow help replace yung traumatic experience mo in the past. So, you're manifesting it, pero pag dumating siya, bigla kang, parang, alam mo yun, yung medyo impulsive ka nga, na minsan may tendency ka na, sige, go na without thinking about it properly. Okay? So, kahit guarded ka, impulsive ka naman, di ba? So, be careful lang kasi, syempre, you have to protect yourself again from getting hurt emotionally. Okay? So, dito kasi sa The Moon, yun nga, may mga yung pagiging impulsive kasi minsan kailangan mong kumalma, kailangan mong mag-step back a bit para to see the bigger picture kasi what you're seeing as the moon card here showing na baka kasi yung uh, darating na new love or new love interest, uh, 'di ba, medyo ano siya, hindi siya yung full authentic self ng tao, 'di ba? So pwedeng parang illusion lang siya. Gets yung energy lang na kailangan mo pang kilalanin mas mabuti para masabi mo nga na okay, ito yung tao that I would like to commit to, 'di ba? So dito nakikita dito sa Six of Wands din na meron namang energy of you being recognized, alam mo yun, from the past experience din, 'di ba? Na parang ito, you will come out victorious kasi like dito nakita sa Empress card na sinasabi ko, there's something paparating na very abundant. Okay, but you have to hinay-hinay. You have to hinay-hinay. Pero kalma ka lang, wag maging impulsive. Let the story unfold properly, 'di ba? Yung person, kilalanin mo pa siya na mas mabuti. Okay? Because pag ginawa mo yung part mo rin, and kinilala mo siya mas mabuti, mas magkakaroon ng winning moment in your romantic life, leading to Wheel of Fortune, which is, a card of luck and fortune. But at the same time, Wheel of Fortune kasi is also a card of karmic relationship. Ibig sabihin, parang from the past, parang nakilala mo yung tao na yun dahil may matututunan ka from that person and from that relationship. At the same time, for this relationship, may ganun din. May mga matututunan ka about yourself, about relationship, about connection, and it will help you grow. And itong si Page of Swords din dito is a card that shows yung, alam mo yun, yung from something young to something mature. Gets? So, it's a card of maturity because of everything na matututunan mo from that karmic relationship. It will help you grow as a person. And ito lang yung hidden card kasi, Ten of Wands. Meron ka lang parang don't feel obliged then to commit to anyone. Yung pagiging impulsive nga, parang hindi mo, wag kang ma-oblige kasi yung Ten of Wands is parang card of obligation na ay okay, kailangan kong mag-commit na dito dahil ayan, dumating na siya, ayokong ma-miss yung opportunity. May mga ganun na you don't have to. Again, learn and grow from this relationship. Okay, so ayan, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita kits, ingat!